Hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition with extra Sudokus in the daily newspaper of Saturday, December the 5th, 2020. Yes, the second Sudoku will be number, let me take a red pencil, number 1976. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also 25. The last few weeks, the Four Stars Sudoku always has 25 instead of 24. Curious. All right. Surprising. So let's get started. The third column. We have here five missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in those three boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 7, no 7 in those two boxes. There 7, no 7 in that box. One box left for the 7. Should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. And the 8 is missing. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in those two boxes. There 3, no 3 in this box. One box left for the 3. Should be there. 2, 2, 2, 5. In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6. Oh, wait. 2 missing numbers. In this, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of them are the 7 and the 6. 7 and the 6. So in this big square, the 7 and the 6 cannot be in these two boxes. The 7 and the 6 goes in those two boxes. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Same like here, 8 and a 5 in this row, 8 and a 5 in the middle row. So the row are both the 8 and a 5 we need here. In these two boxes, we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 2, the 8 and a 5. 8 and a 5, yes. We see here 8 and a 5 in this column, so no 8 and a 5 in this box. The 8 and the 5 goes in these two boxes. I marked them for you. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait, so one box left in this big square for the number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 2, here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then. How about 8? How about the number? The number 1 and 9. me see. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for a 3 should be there. 9, 9, 9. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the middle column, only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, and a 6 I need. Yes, we need a 6. Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place for a 4 should be there. In this third column, 4 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 here 4, no 4 in this box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then I cannot fill this yet with the 4, cannot continue with the 4. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for a 1 should be there. 8, 5, 4, 8, 5, 4. 8, 9. Alright. 9, 5, 3. Let me think. 1, 1, 3, 3. Yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the row below, the third row, the only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the middle column, only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can't see digit number 1. Alright, 1 number left in this middle column. For number 6, I believe 6 is missing. 192. 192. Alright. 2, 6. 2, 6. 3. 8. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for an 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the 6 and the 5. Let me mark those two numbers. Yeah. Eight. Alright. In this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for an 8 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Ooh, 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 ooh. 8. Alright, alright, alright. How about those 3 missing numbers in this big square? The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for a 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle rows and the row above. The only place for a 9 should be there. And 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. I cannot continue with the 9. 5, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 numbers are reserved for the numbers 8 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this can be 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 1 and the 2. Yes, 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 box left in this column. 6 and a 5. This should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 3 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. These 2 numbers in this column. 1, the 2 is missing. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3, 4, the 5 is missing. So here should be the 5. These 2 numbers in this big square. The 1 and the 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here. So this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be a 5. 1 box left in the second row for the number 6 is missing. Yes. Now we have a 6 here. So this is going to be 6 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this row. The first row for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. Finishing 40 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku and faster than the previous one. So is this really a 4-star Sudoku? No, I do not think so. A 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes. 30 minutes or more for a 4-star Sudoku. This one I have solved in 14 minutes. So you cannot tell even if it's a 4 stars or less printed digits. Sometimes you are lucky, sometimes you have a lot of pairs, but this one, no, it's not really a 4 stars. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new ones to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last two Sudokus, a tectonic one and a binary one. See you then. Bye bye for now.